ICO token, Metaline.
Let's start with this.
Metaline is a large-scale sailing management, adventure, strategic multi-connection game that combines GameFi 2.0, socialFi, and Metaverse. Metaline is a GameFi 2.0 product representing the Web 3.0 era, a strategic management game with sailing as the background. Metaline is committed to creating a game that is not limited by region and time, allowing players to get rich rewards while enjoying the entertainment of the game. Players have a variety of participation modes to choose from. They can earn economic rewards by owning and cultivating their own heroes, ships, ports, and lands, competing and cooperating in the game, and empower themselves by using tokens and various NFT items. Players can gain a sense of achievement and wealth in the huge Metaline game world. Metaline is an open, transparent, and inclusive world. All information, assets, and game content in the game have been decentralized.
Guys getting along, or
Truly integrating the inevitable trend of emerging blockchain technology, finance, and social attributes, and also promoting the establishment of Web 3.0 digital ecology with blockchain plus NFT plus GameFi as the core. Token info, ticker, MLT. Token distribution in percent. Airdrop treasury 6. Team advisors employees 15. Ecosystem development 25. Token sale 22. Yield farming 20. Marketing and community treasury 12. Details. Token supply 300 million MLT. Metaline roadmap 120 to 301. Complete the initial development and announce the funding news. 220 to 302. Launch the first round of NFT sale on Arbitrum. 320 to 303. Launch the official version of the game. Mystery box public sale. 420 to 304. Integrate more in-game pods. Don't forget to join all Metaline's social media channel in order to take part in community discussion and any latest news. More details can be found on Metaline website. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my channel for more upcoming ICO token.